It's a lot like M. So I left out percentage. So we're looking at font size values, and mostly you'll use M, rem, and pixel, some pixel, or percentage. And I left out percentage. So percentage is also relative to the parent, and it's percentage relative to the parent's element font size. So the next ones are like font weight, which is normal, bold, lighter. You could also use these numbers. But if you use those, then you have to have those fonts downloaded to your web page, right? And then that's extra weight you have to download. So if I wanted to, I could come back here and I could do font weight to the paragraph, font weight. And I could do those bolds, you know, bolder, lighter, normal, or I could do these numbers. Right? I could just do a number, and that needs a little thing there. Okay, and so then that's going to try to make that bold. Let's see if it actually happens. Looked like it worked. Right? Font weight. And I could also, instead of saying at 900, I could say bold. And so that's bold. Or I could do light. Looks about the same. No change. Okay, so that's font weight. So we have font family. And font family will have a family name and then a generic name. And you can see that here, font family is a family name and then a generic name. And then we have font size. And then we have font weight. And we have font variant. So font variant, normal, small caps, tilting caps. So let's try font variant, see what happens. Font variant. Small caps. Right? Small caps. So right, this is typography. There's lots of choices available to get a different look using different letters. How many people feel a little overwhelmed? Yeah. Font weight, font variant. Then there's line height and font style, normal, italic, oblique. So you could do something italic. So those are the different font properties. Font properties. Font family, font size, font weight, font variant, line height, font style. And then there's the shorthand notation. And the shorthand notation kind of combines a lot of those together, and that's where we started out. So let's go look at that shorthand notation. So font, shorthand property for style, variant, weight, size, height. So you might see 1.2 M, and that's going to be the size, right? And then ferrous sans serif, and that's family. So we have size and family. So we got size and family. Or you might see italic and size and family. So italic is referring to which one? Font style, font variant, font weight. I'm going to say it's font style. So italic is right here, font style. All right, so if you use the shorthand, you're saying, hey, italic, size, family. Italic and then small caps, caps is font variant, and then font weight is bold. And then here we have font size, 16 pixels divided by 2, cursive. I don't know why what that divided by 2 is. Oh, that's line height. See the line height? Versus here. And that's one line height, and then caption. We have font caption. And what is that? Copy that? Is that copy? It copies that. And then the caption is which one? Font family, line height, size, weight, variant, style, CSS, font caption. Font caption, CSS tricks, MDN. CSS casting style, caption, side, font. That's obsolete. Look here for caption. If font is specified as a system keyword, it must be one of caption, icon, menu, message box, small caption, status bar. So we're just looking for caption to read about that because that was new to me. Small caption. Caption, the system font used for caption controls, buttons, drop downs, etc. System used for labeling small controls. Interesting. So you could just do that. So let's play with this for a minute and just try the shorthand property. So on this, I guess I'll copy this. 06. Open those up. And on our paragraph, let's do our div just for fun. And we'll say div font 32 pixels. Can't we do that? Why do we have a red underline? Right? 1.2M, italic. It's almost like it wants something more than just with font, just the size. What's my thing say? Mismatch property value. Font size, and then optional line height and font family. It needs to have font family, I guess. So cursive. And then it's fine. The shorthand notation, right? So I guess we'll do it this way. But I kind of want to have that. I'll just do font size here. So I want to have that up here so we could just play with it. And maybe we'll do playing with font as its own video. We'll do that next.